Good morning, guys. We will start in 8 minutes. Let's get the questions and likes in, and I'll see you guys in 8 minutes. Peace. What up, guys? To those who have just joined, we will start very soon. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. See you guys in a bit. Keep the questions coming in. I see everyone's questions. Love to see it. I will be with you very soon. Good morning to those who just joined. We are going to start in 4 minutes. All right, 4 minutes. I will retweet the link now so we can get some people in here. I know there won't be many people as much as normal because the market's dead. And when the market's dead, no one's really trading or anything. They're scared. They think the market's the end of the world. But you know what? We are still here because we are consistent and we continue to make money. See you guys very shortly. Good morning to those who have just joined. We are going to start in 2 minutes. Get the questions and tickets in. Let's go. All right, good morning, guys. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Change the screen over here so we can get sorted. Let's get sorted. What up, everyone? Happy Tuesday. No, there wasn't. I don't think there was one run at all pre-market that I was watching. Obviously now there's a couple coming late. Mass looks kind of the only one that's running moment. This is my watch list. Too many plays under $1 at the moment. What I see, there is 0 stocks I'm going to trade today. 0, which is good because I can just chill, relax, hang out, do nothing for a change. Good morning, SUNE's Peggy. Yeah, that thing got dumped big time. Look at it, down 14% now. Trash. CYCU. Yeah, CYCU. I like this above 0.9. Above 0.9 looks good. Free clean range all the way to at least 105. Good morning, good afternoon. Yes, TRNR, 5-minute break. Let's see, where is it? TRNR is looking good. Yeah, everybody's watching this. We do like this above $3. Then we have 325, 325, and then we have 360. $3.60, like this. All right. So these are, or this is the play that I will probably be watching today. Other than that, all the orange stocks you see here, I'm not interested. They are under $1. I do not trade stocks under $1. Just a personal thing. I just don't like trading it. I'm not very good at trading them. I suck at trading them, so I just avoid it. Because majority of the time when I take the trade, I know that I lose on them. What's the good word this morning? Totes, any predictions? What we'll see on, so just tell my wife a guarantee there will be childish. Yeah, there will be for sure. It will be funny. Watching Wint. Let's see. Wint. Wint is extremely bearish right now. Based on the 5-minute, I would wait for a close above VWAP, or you can, I don't use this as a demand zone, but you can use this area. Big, I know you use this a lot, but for me, it's just around, maybe around $3. There is potential, but too low volume here. It's not really a clear level. Mass, what's happening with Mass? Yeah, Mass is looking good. As long as it holds VWAP, it's good. Any entries, I definitely would take it above 374. I would take an impulse buy above $3.74. Anything below right now, not interested. It's pulling back. It's in a downtrend like this. Yeah, for me, not interested right now. Hoth dumped. Yeah, nothing on Hoth. Went straight up and came down. Not interested in that one, unfortunately. Dead market rules. Yeah, I know. For me, I enjoy this market. Obviously, I like when plays are running and everything, but this is a good market because people learn a lot. This is where you see the true, real traders. A lot of people dip, come back when the market's good or whatever. And then because they've probably blown their accounts the last few days or week, or last week especially. Yeah, you know, you just gotta, those people haven't learned the proper way to trade yet, but eventually they will, if they do start to take it seriously. Yes, hit the like button. Hit the like button. We agreed 13 going to be slow market. Yeah, it'll be slow. We have, what do we have on Forex Factory? Today we have President Trump speaks at 9 p.m. Dubai time, which is 11 p.m. EST. Is it 11 p.m.? No, 12 p.m. EST. Lunchtime. And then tomorrow we have ADP non-farm and ISM PMI services. Then Thursday, unemployment claims. Yeah, pretty jam-packed week, but I don't care. There's always opportunity. Lots of 5-minute pump and dump. Yeah, there's a lot. That's why I'm going to be extremely patient. Only took one trade intraday and I was green on it. That's it. Glad I didn't take anything else. Everything I was looking for, I actually probably would have lost on them. So I avoided it. I would not touch this unless it gets back above VWAP. Use the VWAP indicator. It's right here. You go to indicators. You go to indicators here. And then indicator settings if you want. And then click VWAP here. And then choose whatever color you like. I like bright green, because it stands out and it's the easiest one to see. Like up the stream, it's free. Correct. TRNR. I like this one for today. You could maybe try it above VWAP if you want to, or you could wait for it to close above $3. $3 is what you could wait for. So above $3 here, you could wait for a 5-minute candle to close above. So here is your candle body, which is represented in yellow like this. And then you have the candle wick. All you need to do is wait for the candle body on the 5-minute time frame to close above. If it doesn't close above and rejects like it has here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, you do not take the trade. All right. Right. IINN, nothing on this. Maybe above $1. Not really interested on something like this. Especially, guys, you need to understand something. Especially when the market is extremely weak, like this last week and this week, when there's not much runners. Nothing's really holding. Bitcoin's coming down. All large caps are down. This is a bearish market at the moment, right? It is what it is. But the easiest way to trade is focus on something that has volume. How do you know that something has volume? It's extremely easy. This is the link. All you have to do is add the top gainers to your watch list. Focus on those because they have the highest probability of running. They have the news, they had earnings, mergers, whatever the news is or wherever it's running. There is a reason why people are in the stock, and that is why we should try and look for the setup to take the trade. Because it's up 70, 80%, you do not just buy the stock. Use your entry if you want to be a technical trader based on day trading. Then you need to use technicals. If you want to use it, oh, you like the news because they could cancel something, 99.9999999% of the time you will lose. You will lose. Do not buy because you like the news. It's a load of BS most of the time, especially small caps. CLRO. CLRO still needs that same level as yesterday, 0.8. CLRO needs a 0.8 break. Watch it today. You can wait for that to enter. Wait for 0.8 break to enter. But you'll notice Twitter's very quiet, right? Twitter's very quiet. Probably this YouTube will be quiet. Discord's a little quiet. All normal things, you know, like it is what it is. That's when the market's slow. And sometimes, you know, some people aren't trading, which is smart, but some people are also struggling a lot. And to step away from the market is the best thing to do. For me, I love trading. I can trade every single day and make money as long as I stay patient and stick to the same thing over and over again. What is your strategy for trading and what are the indicators? My strategy is in the Discord. If you want to join the Discord, you are more than welcome to. I don't use any indicators to trade. Zero. I don't use anything. I use pure price action. I read candlesticks, support and resistance, chart patterns, Yeah. Demand zone. He's going to tell her like it is. Yeah, I know. It's good. He should, though. It's how it is. That's how it should be. No sugarcoating things. Get it out. Pull the market back. Rip the band-aid off. Then we restart again. Then we can push. IBIO. Watch this one today. This was my trade that I took yesterday. IBIO. Did a trade breakdown on it yesterday or this morning as well for Discord members to understand why I took the trade. I do it pretty much every week from the last few weeks because just allows members to understand a lot more and in depth why I'm taking the trade. As long as I give the entries, right? I also give my reasonings, but I do videos as well so you can read and understand, listen. So there's a visual aspect for people, right? And then you can also listen if you like to. Okay, IBIO is extremely bullish. Considering the market bearish, this is bullish. It looks good. Let's check some large caps out. Nvidia is pretty much getting rocked. This is coming all the way down. Bleed for us. Back to 100 doll hairs. This is nice for the long-term traders, so they can get a better average, or for those who are not in it. It is coming down real fast. Do not buy now because it's not at any area of support. There is no sign of a reversal, so there is no reason to end this trade. So Nvidia heading to 100 doll hairs. Oh no. Tesla, this is down as well, I'm assuming. Tesla's down 4%. Puts are us. Get the puts in. SPY. What's happening with the SPY? SPY is also blood red. Below here is easy money. There are huge. This is a big level here. We go down below here. We're going down to $100 on the SPY. And the market will never come back ever again. Okay. A joke, by the way. Here we go. SPY's coming down big time. SPY's not looking good though. Yeah, SPY's blood red. It is down 0.6%. And you know what's amazing and fantastic about trading, which I love so much, is you are in control of your account. You can choose when to buy and you can choose when to sell. You can choose when to take profits and you can choose where to put your stop loss. You can control how much money you want to make, how much money you want to lose. It is that easy. It is that easy. Really, it is. The issue is that people have emotions. We all do. Some people can control it better than others. Most people who could control it better are the more experienced traders. When the market's crap like this and everything is going down, why are you going to take a trade? Why? Why are you going to try and buy a stock to expect it to go up? No good. That's just stupid in my opinion. No good. CYCU, there are no entries unless you get a close above 0.9. 0.990 cents. Then you can take your entry. Well, you do not want to buy a stock that is in a strong, extremely strong bearish trend, that is at a resistance, keeps rejecting it. I don't care it's up 30%, as long as it breaks above here, then it looks good. I would not touch it unless it's above 0.9. Get a candle body to close above like that, and you have your candle wick with this. And then all you have to do is take the trade once it closes above. If it doesn't close above, do not take the trade. NHTC. NHTC has zero volume. I don't like something like this, although it is in a bullish trend while trying to. For me, there is no volume on this. It's extremely difficult to trade something that has low volume. So yeah, I would just avoid something like this. I can't even give you key levels due to the weakness of this market structure on the day. Can't blame the market. No, it's good. The market needs a pullback. It needs a healthy pullback. At least another 5-6% down on SPY will be fantastic. CTM needs to hold $1.20. Not looking good. I'm just going to move it actually down to $1. That way we have a much stronger area of support. Yeah, you do not want to buy something like this. This is a very simple trade setup. Just think about this now. Everybody, please listen up. This stock is doing what? It's coming down, correct? So why are you going to buy the stock? The only reason why you're going to try and buy the stock is because you want to be right and you want to hope that this is going to break above and run. 99.99% of the time you try and do that, you lose because you're fighting against a trend. You want to be the best and you're not, because the trend is going down and it will beat you every single time you try and force a trade setup that is not a correct setup. Wait for confirmation. Need to wait. It can take a day, it can take a week, it can take 55 years to break this downtrend. We don't know when it will break, but as soon as it breaks, you can take the trade. Easy. All right, that's it. Easy. Uoka. Nothing on Uoka yet. Yeah, Uoka needs to get above 25 cents. 25 cents and you have 28.50. I don't know why these levels have disappeared. 0.285. 0.285 like this. And then you have... Oops. These are your key levels like this. There you go. So easily. Press 1 in the chat if you don't understand what to do and how to take this trade on Uoka. Because if you don't, you need to open your ears. You have to open your ears for this, because I will not keep repeating it even though I do every day. Press 1 if you don't understand how to take this trade. I will go in extreme depth as if I'm talking to a kid that is in a womb. So then they will even be able to understand what is going on. So press 1. We will see who doesn't know, and then we will go over it. All right, give me 1 minute. I'm going to get some water and I will be back. All right, I'm back. Okay, so everybody listen up if you're new. This is very easy trading, okay? This is a basic strategy. I do not use this strategy, but it's a very simple strategy to understand support and resistance. We know that this blue line that I have here, right? I will even highlight it again in the white. This blue box here indicates area of resistance. That means if a stock gets to a resistance, there's a higher probability it usually gets to resistance and it rejects and comes down. Hits resistance down, hit resistance down, hit resistance down, hit resistance down, hit resistance down. We understand that part. Basic, simple, technical analysis. We can only take the trade once we know that resistance has broken. How do we know that a stock has broken out of resistance? You need a candle body to close above the area of resistance. If there is no candle body close above resistance, that indicates a fake out. Like this would be a fake out, like it's done once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6 times. Okay, so you need the candle body to close above. If the candle body closes above resistance, that means the stock has now broken out of resistance, and now we know that it probably will not reject. Now the trend has gone from a bearish trend to a bullish trend, and now we know there's a higher probability the stock will go up. Easy, simple, free education. People charge billions of dollars for that. I have no idea a reason why, but it's very simple. All right, candle body close above resistance. That means the area of resistance has broken, and now the trend has changed from a bearish trend to a bullish trend. Simple. NHTC, card in the market, LITM. LITM, is this reverse? LITM, LITM, LITM. LITM needs to close above 0.5. The overall trend on this is very bearish. Exactly what I explained on the other chart. Rejection, 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 rejection. Right? Candle body close above, entry. LITM, wait for 0.5 break. Needs 0.5 break. TVGN. TVGN running? Interesting. TVGN is extremely bearish. So let's have a look at this together. Larger time frame, the daily time frame, we are in a downtrend. We go to the 4 hour, we are in a downtrend. We go to the 1 hour, we're in a downtrend. So there's 3 indications of 3 time frames that show that this stock is going to go down. Now find the area of resistance. You can use whichever time frame you choose. I like to use the 4 hour time frame to mark my key levels because it gives a good indication and it's clear to see the chart. All right, so now we've done this. We've understood that this is a big area of resistance at 1.33. So we now know that if the candle body closes above 1.33, that there is a higher probability the stock will go up. If it closes above 1.32, we do not take the trade because it has not closed above 1.33. Simple. Yoka, still nothing unless 25 cents. If you enter now, you have done the incorrect thing. I was thinking about RGTI, these levels. The whole sector, quantum, the whole market is getting absolutely rocked. I would never try and buy a stock right now, especially this, that is in an extreme downtrend, that has no sign of reversal, that has nothing for me to enter this. Whether the news is amazing, the market will still not push up regardless of how good the news is when there's lack of volume. Can you take a look at JFIN? Yeah, I had it on my watch list and I removed it. I think because it came straight down. JFIN. Yeah, I mean, there's not really much volume on JFIN. It's extremely difficult to trade something like this. Yeah, I'm not too sure how to trade something like this. The only way I would do it is if it breaks the high here, maybe at $9. XLO. XLO is bearish. That means the stock is in a downtrend. That means we want to stay far away from this because we do not want to trade something that is going down. So XLO is bearish. All right, candle body on what time frame? The time frame is completely up to you. I just want everybody to understand this because I know when I was first trading and understood or didn't understand time frames and that, there is no best time frame to take a trade on. Understand that. Okay, that's your first thing. You can take a trade on the 1 minute, you could take a trade on the daily time frame, you could take a time on the 1 second, on the 15 minute, 30 minute, who cares? It doesn't matter. The time frame comes from within you to know what works best for you. Okay? Yes, for me, I use other time frames and it works because I back tested it and all those things are great. But you can take whatever time frame and use whatever time frame. A good indication for day traders, they use smaller time frames because they're trading on a smaller time frame. They're not holding stocks overnight. They trade on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Swing traders use it 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Long term, use weekly, monthly, yearly, whatever. All right, simple as that. So that is what I suggest. So whatever time frame you're charting on, I recommend to use that candlestick time frame to close above on that time frame. If I'm charting on the 4 hour, I need a candle body to close on the 4 hour. If I'm drawing on the 5 minute, if a candle body needs to close on the 5 minute above. Simple. So yeah, which candle? I never ever use the 1 minute. I never use the 1 minute ever. Although I'm a day trader, I never use the 1 minute. It's not enough confirmation for me. I don't use it. It doesn't work for me at all. Yeah, I mainly use the 5 minute. So you mark 4 levels, 4-hour time frame, move down to 5 minutes for day trading. Yeah, 4 hour, I just mark key levels, then I go to the 5 minute to look for my entries. That's how I do it. Correct. Thank you, no problem. Mass still going? Mass needs to break the downtrend here. Move this 350. So look, I've marked my 4-hour key levels here, $4 and $4.35. Based on 4-hour time frame. Now I'll go the 5 minute to look for my entry. That is how I trade. MIRA, is that running? No, MIRA, no good. MIRA, no good. No, no, no. No bueno, my friend. Downtrend, bearish. Bloody. Blood, blood, blood. Bearish. I don't think there is anything that is up. All right. Let's see what else is moving on the top gainers list. So we have, what else is, here we got pretty much everything. IINN. Someone asked me about this. I would not touch it unless it gets above $1. It is too bearish for me right now. I wouldn't focus on anything that has low volume and bearish, which is the stock right here. No volume. Look, I can tell you. I'll go to the 5 minute and tell you right now. See? No volume. How do I know there's no volume? Look at these dots. This shows clear low volume, no price action, no clear market structure. I don't know. That's why it's got a larger time frame to see what's going on. Even here, I don't even know what's going on. BTOG, just leave that one. Leave it, Nimit. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Do not touch that BTOG. They can drop an offering. Even if they did yesterday, I don't know, but extremely high risk. I don't care if that thing runs back up to $2, but for me, it's a no-go. Hoth, CYCU, 3 green trades, and I'm done. Fantastic job. Well done. TRNR is the only trade setup I'm looking to trade today. That is the only stock that I'm looking to trade today. Every other stock, I don't care what's going on, because everything else is under $1 or just doesn't have much volume at the moment. Let's see. It is below VWAP or it's above. Yeah, it's below VWAP. We need to get back above VWAP. It is in a bullish pennant. A bullish pennant is a continuation pattern. A bullish one because we come from the upside to continue to go up. However, we are below VWAP, so we are probably going to reject and come down. With this weak market, I'm expecting it to come down. ETIX, extremely bearish. Just going to move that off my watch list. CYCU, you can watch it over 0.9. I know a lot of people are watching this one. Uoka, nothing. Wint, nothing. CTM, nothing yet. Mass, breaking above. I would say if this closes above, the candle body closes above, then you can look for a trade entry on this in 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Thank you, Tiger. SYRS. So I want to hear this. Nahal, why are you looking to take this as a swing trade? Just explain to me on this. I just want to hear what you have to say. I'm extremely curious. Thoughts on accuracy trading and quantum AI trading increasing. AI trading, like the bots, like bot trading. CU. Yeah, CYCU need 90 cents. Above 90 cents, maybe. Right, these are CYCU levels. What do you mean by AI trading increasing? You talking about the bot trading, or you talking about sector? No, it's a load of shit. You cannot. There is no bot in this world. I don't care what anyone tells me. It cannot read price action properly. Okay. It is always delayed and it will always forever be delayed. Okay. It cannot predict it. Right? Unless you are some Stephen Hawkins brother and created it. Yes, maybe in the future there will be. But in my opinion, it's lazy way of trading. Maybe there are a few that can make you a little bit of money here and there. But if there was really a bot out there that could make you infinite amount of money, everybody on this planet would know how to trade it. Everyone. Everyone on this planet would know how to use it, would have it, would trade it. Trust me, it would be leaked. No one has hidden it. It's impossible. TRNR. I like TRNR only above $3. Anything below $3, I'm not interested. Be careful, CYC lost credibility. Yeah. Well, watch out, CYC. I know it had news. Someone posted to me. What was it? Is this CYC news launched? Yeah, it has launched its AI-driven platform to corporate sectors. Yeah, I mean, it's just BS news to me. I don't know. I'm very against the bot trading. Like, load of BS. I see all these influencers posting. They got $1 million. Like, I even messaged one guy and I was like, why there is a Forex one and he's trading with like small amounts, like, I don't know, whatever lot size and that, like 0.2 lot. And I'm like, he's like won every trade, like he keeps posting. And I called him, I messaged him, I said, why are you trading with such a small size if you've never lost a trade on this bot? Why are you not going to the bank and going to get $1 billion and put it all in and win every trade? It just doesn't make sense. And then he tells me, oh, trying to be relatable. It's a load of BS, guys. There's nothing like it, trust me. Yes, there are things that can help you. These indicators can help you. Yeah, maybe. But at the end of the day, there's nothing better than actually learning properly how to trade, in my opinion. Because as I said, if it was something that wins 100% and all this kind of stuff, we would all be on the moon right now. Like a CYC thoughts on high frequency. I recommend Tigerline trading Discord if you want to get better day trading. I used to be better with motions and no news. It's all gone. That's what I like to hear, Roman. Lovely. That's why I was showing a discount zone and SMC indicator. That's a low. Okay, I don't know anything about SMC indicator. I'm not familiar with it. I don't use any of those indicators, but I can tell you now, the overall market is bearish. Everything is going down. That's going down. It's down 42%. Whether it's a good buy or not, for me, I need confirmation. I need a downtrend to at least break to even consider something like that. So it's extremely difficult to trade something that keeps going down. It's extremely difficult to predict the bottom, is what I'm saying. Follow. Okay, I'm going to go over the last couple plays and then I will be out of here. I've got to head into Discord. Hollow, I do not like the stock. I wouldn't trade it. Just leave it alone. If you want to take a trade, wait for $1.27 above. Risky entries, you can try above $1 if you want to, but personally, you're wasting your time on this. There's a lot better plays you can make money on. Please do not get emotionally attached. SYR is about to delist. Fantastic. If it is, then just remove it. NIVF is one of the dirty ones. Please be careful anyone triggering. NIVF, yes, just remove it. Don't think it's on my watch list. No. How long have I been trading? Since COVID, like 2019, 2020. From what I heard, the AI tracks human behavior and technically the market is just behavior at core. I don't do it, just saw thread. Yeah, I mean, it does track human behavior, but at the end of the day, it's not going to be as accurate as trading as a real person. Price action moves very quickly. Yes, maybe when it breaks a resistance, you can tell it to buy and those things. But in my opinion, there is nothing out there that is better than you actually properly trading. Yes, I understand the robots take the emotion part of it, which is a huge part. But I don't know, if there was that fantastic, there's people out there who would be multi-billionaires, right? Whether we don't know who they are or whatever's going on, right? If they had it, I'm sure they would sell it for a lot of money as well. I mean, yeah, that's just my personal opinion. And overall, moving down, do these penny stocks get more volume? I mean, when the market's coming down, everything just comes down. You just have a few weeks like this, a few days. It's just the cycle of the market. There are always plays that have volume. Usually sectors do run. It's not that prominent anymore in the last few years, in my opinion. Like EV sector, weed sector, and that's not really a thing anymore. It's more like bankruptcy plays and like delisting plays and things like that. But in terms of penny small caps, yeah, if there's a couple like ones like these sub $1 stocks that are like 2 cents and stuff, if they start to running, it does usually push the market up. But there's always runners in the pre-market or in the market. There are always runners, always stocks that have news, earnings, whatever catalysts may be. These ones will always run, and you can trade them based on technical analysis. So you just have to be more patient. And I was telling Discord members yesterday, I took one trade yesterday, one trade. Okay. And I say it every day, and I'll say it again to you guys. Focus on one trade at a time. If you don't see a setup, don't take the trade. Simple as that. Write it down, put it on your forehead, send it to your girlfriend, whatever you need to do. Understand, one trade at a time. You cannot get in every trade. There's going to be less runners. The market's not going to be as volatile. You're not going to make as much money. It is what it is. Right, I'm going to do a couple of these. SLXN, nothing on this unless 163, still the same chart. Screenshot this, please. RDGT, what's happening with this? Up 244%. Crazy move. What's the news on this? What is this RDGT? So something like this, new traders will try and buy this because they think it's going to go up. And then when they buy it, it's going to go down 40% and they freaked out. They have no idea what to do. I have no idea what this stock is. RDGT, Ridge Tech. Just mark some key levels. 4-hour time frame. Here's a wick here. Yeah, I would focus on the 680 level. 5-minute time frame now. You can watch it. Discord members, you can use the candlestick strategy on this if you want to. Just high risk. It's moving very quickly. Don't worry, everyone. The market is growing. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. People think it's the end of the world because there's one red day, 1 week, it's rare, the market's coming down, crypto's down. Like, it's the cycle of the market. If you look at the market and go on the daily time frame, the stock is not going up. The market is not going up. It goes up and it goes down and it goes up and it goes down. It is what it is. Why do companies run on delisting news? It's just like a pump news. Like, it's kind of a hype thing. People just try and get in it. Plus 200%. Yes, thank you, Tiger. Charles, that's awesome. Love to hear it. All right, guys, I'm going to head into Discord. Discord is open. Okay, if you want to join, you are more than welcome to. I will see all the Discord members in 20 minutes. I'll send the live trading link out then. Have a great day, guys. Remember, focus on one trade and use a stop loss. Peace.